Welcome to the Simple Understanding channel. We're thrilled to have you with us as we dive into the CPIM course. If you're enjoying the journey so far, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. In today's video, we're moving forward with Module 7, Distribution, which is broken down into three key sections. Section A, Planning Distribution. Section B, Replenishment and Order Management. Section C, Waste Hierarchy and Reverse Logistics. Let's get started with Section A, Planning Distribution. Overview. Planning distribution involves creating strategies and plans to move goods efficiently from production to the end customer. This section focuses on optimizing distribution networks, managing transportation, and ensuring effective order fulfillment to meet customer demands while controlling costs. Key topics: Distribution network design. A. Distribution channels. Determines the pathways through which products flow from manufacturers to consumers, including direct and indirect channels. Example: Apple uses both direct, Apple stores, online, and indirect channels, retail partners, to distribute its products globally. B. Warehouse locations. Decides on the placement of warehouses to optimize storage and distribution, considering factors like proximity to markets and transportation routes. Example: Amazon strategically places fulfillment centers near major urban areas to ensure quick delivery to customers. C. Transportation modes. Chooses the appropriate modes of transportation, e.g., road, rail, air, sea, based on cost, speed, and product characteristics. Example: FedEx uses a combination of air and ground transportation to balance speed and cost for package delivery. D. Distribution centers, DCs. Manages centralized facilities that receive products from manufacturers and distribute them to retailers or directly to customers. Example: Walmart operates large distribution centers to efficiently supply its network of stores with inventory. Inventory management and distribution. A. Safety stock levels. Maintains extra inventory to buffer against uncertainties in demand or supply chain disruptions. Example: Procter & Gamble keeps safety stock for essential household products to avoid stockouts during unexpected demand surges. B. Replenishment strategies. Establishes methods for restocking inventory to prevent stockouts and manage turnover rates. Example: Costco employs a just-in-time replenishment strategy to keep inventory levels low while ensuring product availability. C. Order fulfillment. Coordinates processes to pick, pack, and ship orders efficiently, aiming to meet customer delivery expectations. Example: Zara uses a fast order fulfillment process to quickly deliver the latest fashion trends to customers. D. Demand forecasting. Uses historical data and market analysis to predict future demand and plan inventory and distribution accordingly. Example: Target leverages demand forecasting to align inventory levels with seasonal trends and promotions. Transportation planning. A. Route optimization. Identifies the most efficient routes for transporting goods, considering factors like distance, traffic, and fuel costs. Example: UPS uses advanced route optimization software to minimize delivery times and reduce fuel consumption. B. Carrier selection. Chooses carriers based on factors such as cost, reliability, and service levels to transport goods. Example: Nike selects multiple carriers to balance cost and delivery speed for its global supply chain. C. Freight management. Manages the movement of goods, including freight consolidation, tracking, and documentation. Example: Maersk manages freight logistics for international shipping, providing end-to-end visibility and tracking for its customers. D. Transportation costs. Analyzes and controls costs associated with transportation, including fuel, labor, and maintenance. Example: Coca-Cola manages transportation costs by optimizing delivery routes and leveraging economies of scale. Distribution strategy development. A. Customer service. Develop strategies to meet or exceed customer service expectations, including delivery speed and accuracy. Example: Apple emphasizes exceptional customer service by offering fast shipping and easy returns for its products. B. Cost efficiency. Aims to reduce distribution costs while maintaining service levels, including transportation, warehousing, and handling expenses. Example: Unilever implements cost-efficient distribution practices by optimizing warehouse operations and leveraging bulk shipments. C. Sustainability initiatives. Integrates environmentally friendly practices into distribution planning, such as reducing carbon emissions and waste. Example: IKEA adopts sustainable distribution practices by using electric delivery vehicles and optimizing packaging materials. D. Technology integration. Utilizes technology such as warehouse management systems, WMS, and transportation management systems, TMS, to enhance distribution efficiency. Example: Walmart employs advanced technology for inventory tracking and distribution, improving accuracy and operational efficiency. Performance measurement and improvement. A. Key performance indicators, KPIs. Measures distribution performance using KPIs such as order accuracy, delivery lead time, and cost per shipment. Example: Amazon tracks KPIs like delivery speed and order accuracy to continuously improve its distribution network. B. Continuous improvement. Applies methodologies such as Lean and Six Sigma to identify and address inefficiencies in the distribution process. Example: Toyota uses Lean principles to streamline its distribution processes, reducing waste and improving overall efficiency. C. Benchmarking. Compares distribution performance against industry standards and best practices to identify areas for improvement. Example: Dell benchmarks its distribution processes against leading competitors to adopt best practices and enhance performance. D. Feedback mechanisms. Implements systems for gathering feedback from customers and stakeholders to refine distribution strategies and practices. Example: Home Depot uses customer feedback to adjust its delivery options and improve the overall shopping experience. Real-world examples. Retail. Amazon's distribution strategy includes extensive use of fulfillment centers and advanced logistics technology to ensure fast delivery and high customer satisfaction. Manufacturing. General Electric employs a complex distribution network with strategically located warehouses and optimized transportation routes to deliver industrial products efficiently. E-commerce. eBay uses a combination of distribution centers and third-party logistics providers to manage a diverse range of products and deliver them promptly to customers worldwide. In summary, planning distribution involves designing effective distribution networks, managing inventory and transportation, and developing strategies to meet customer demands while controlling costs. By focusing on key areas such as network design, transportation planning, and performance measurement, organizations can optimize their distribution processes and enhance overall supply chain efficiency. Practice test for Section A. Planning distribution. 1. What is the primary objective of distribution planning? A. To minimize production costs. B. To ensure timely delivery of products to customers. C. To reduce employee turnover. D. To increase product variety. Correct answer: B. Overall explanation. The primary objective of distribution planning is to ensure that products are delivered to customers in a timely manner, meeting demand effectively. 2. Which factor is most critical in distribution network design? A. Employee training. B. Transportation costs. C. Product innovation. D. Customer satisfaction. Correct answer: B. Overall explanation. Transportation costs are a critical factor in distribution network design as they directly impact the efficiency and cost-effectiveness of the distribution process. 3. What does a centralized distribution model typically offer? A. Increased lead times. B. Greater control over inventory. C. Higher transportation costs. D. Reduced customer satisfaction. Correct answer, B. Overall explanation. A centralized distribution model offers greater control over inventory, allowing for more efficient management of stock levels across the distribution network. 4. Which strategy can help balance distribution costs and service levels? A. Reducing product quality. B. Expanding the workforce. C. Implementing regional warehouses. D. Decreasing production output. Correct answer, C. Overall explanation. Implementing regional warehouses can help balance distribution costs and service levels by reducing transportation distances and improving delivery speed. 5. How does demand forecasting impact distribution planning? A. It has no impact. B. It reduces production output. C. It helps align inventory levels with expected demand. D. It increases lead times. Correct answer, C. Overall explanation. Demand forecasting helps align inventory levels with expected demand, ensuring that the distribution network is prepared to meet customer needs efficiently. 6. What is the role of safety stock in distribution planning? A. To increase production costs. B. To provide a buffer against demand variability. C. To reduce customer satisfaction. D. To decrease inventory levels. Correct answer, B. Overall explanation. Safety stock provides a buffer against demand variability, helping to prevent stockouts and ensure product availability in the distribution network. 7. How does the choice of transportation mode affect distribution planning? A. It only affects internal processes. B. It influences delivery speed and costs. C. It has no impact on distribution. D. It determines product design. Correct answer, B. Overall explanation. The choice of transportation mode affects delivery speed and costs, which are crucial factors in effective distribution planning. 8. What is the benefit of using a cross-docking strategy in distribution? A. Increased inventory holding costs. B. Reduced inventory holding costs. C. Longer lead times. D. Higher employee turnover. Correct answer, B. Overall explanation. Cross-docking reduces inventory holding costs by minimizing the time products spend in storage, allowing for more efficient distribution. 9. Why is it important to consider lead times in distribution planning? A. To ignore customer needs. B. To manage the timing of product delivery effectively. C. To reduce marketing expenses. D. To increase employee satisfaction. Correct answer, B. Overall explanation. Considering lead times is important in distribution planning to manage the timing of product delivery effectively, ensuring that products reach customers as expected. 10. What is the impact of distribution planning on customer satisfaction? A. It decreases customer satisfaction. B. It has no effect on customer satisfaction. C. It increases customer satisfaction by ensuring timely delivery. D. It reduces product quality. Correct answer, C. Overall explanation. Effective distribution planning increases customer satisfaction by ensuring that products are delivered on time and in good condition. Section B. Replenishment and Order Management. Overview. Replenishment and order management involve processes and strategies to ensure that inventory levels are maintained efficiently and orders are fulfilled accurately. This section covers the methods and systems used to manage inventory replenishment, process orders, and coordinate with suppliers and customers to maintain optimal inventory levels and ensure timely order fulfillment. Key topics. Replenishment strategies. A. Reorder point (ROP) system establishes a minimum inventory level that triggers a new order to replenish stock before it runs out. Example: 7-Eleven uses a reorder point system for convenience store inventory, ensuring that popular items are restocked in time to avoid stockouts. B. Economic order quantity, (EOQ), determines the optimal order quantity that minimizes total inventory costs, including holding and ordering costs. Example: Walmart applies EOQ calculations to manage its extensive inventory and reduce costs associated with overstocking and understocking. C. Just-in-time, JIT, replenishment, minimizes inventory levels by ordering and receiving goods only as they are needed for production or sale. Example: Toyota uses JIT replenishment to maintain low inventory levels and reduce waste in its manufacturing operations. D. Vendor-managed inventory, VMI, allows suppliers to manage inventory levels at the buyer's location, reducing stockouts and excess inventory. Example: Kroger partners with suppliers through VMI to streamline inventory management and improve product availability in its stores. Order management processes. A. Order entry captures and processes customer orders accurately and efficiently, often through automated systems. Example: Amazon utilizes sophisticated order entry systems to handle high volumes of customer orders and ensure accurate processing. B. Order fulfillment involves picking, packing, and shipping orders to customers in a timely manner while maintaining accuracy. Example: Zara has a streamlined order fulfillment process to ensure that online orders are processed quickly and delivered promptly to customers. C. Order tracking provides customers with real-time information on the status of their orders, including shipping and delivery updates. Example: FedEx offers comprehensive order tracking services, allowing customers to monitor their shipments from dispatch to delivery. D. Returns management handles the process of accepting and processing return goods, including restocking and refunds. Example: Nordstrom offers a hassle-free returns management process, enhancing customer satisfaction by making returns easy and efficient. Inventory accuracy. A. Cycle counting conducts regular inventory counts on a rotating basis to ensure accuracy and identify discrepancies. Example: Costco performs cycle counting to maintain inventory accuracy and address any issues with stock levels. B. Physical inventory checks periodically verifies inventory levels through comprehensive physical counts to reconcile with recorded data. Example: Home Depot conducts annual physical inventory checks to ensure that recorded inventory matches actual stock levels. C. Inventory audits regularly reviews inventory records and processes to identify and correct inaccuracies or inefficiencies. Example: Target performs inventory audits to evaluate and improve its inventory management practices. D. Technology integration uses technology such as barcode scanning and RFID to enhance inventory tracking and accuracy. Example: Walgreens integrates barcode scanning technology to improve inventory accuracy and streamline replenishment processes. Supplier coordination. A. Supplier lead times considers the time required for suppliers to deliver goods, affecting inventory replenishment schedules. Example: Apple manages supplier lead times to ensure timely delivery of components for its products. B. Purchase order management oversees the creation, approval, and tracking of purchase orders to ensure timely and accurate order fulfillment. Example: Dell utilizes purchase order management systems to coordinate with suppliers and manage inventory levels effectively. C. Supplier performance monitoring evaluates supplier performance based on criteria such as delivery reliability, quality, and cost. Example: Procter & Gamble monitors supplier performance to ensure that suppliers meet quality and delivery standards. D. Collaborative planning engages in joint planning with suppliers to align inventory levels and forecast demand. Example: Nestle collaborates with suppliers to synchronize production and inventory plans, improving overall supply chain efficiency. Order fulfillment metrics A. Order cycle time. Measures the time taken from receiving an order to delivering it to the customer. Example: ASOS tracks order cycle time to optimize its fulfillment processes and improve customer satisfaction. B. Order accuracy rate. Assesses the percentage of orders fulfilled correctly without errors. Example: LL Bean focuses on maintaining a high order accuracy rate to ensure customer orders are fulfilled as requested. C. Fill rate. Calculates the percentage of customer orders that are filled completely from available inventory. Example: Costco monitors fill rates to ensure that customer orders are fulfilled in full and on time. D. On-time delivery rate. Tracks the percentage of orders delivered by the promised date. Example: UPS measures on-time delivery rates to ensure reliable and timely delivery of packages. Real-world examples. Retail. Walmart uses sophisticated replenishment systems and order management processes to keep its vast inventory levels in check and ensure that products are available when customers need them. E-commerce. Amazon integrates advanced technology and efficient order management systems to handle high volumes of orders, ensuring quick and accurate fulfillment and delivery. Manufacturing. General Motors employs precise replenishment strategies and order management techniques to coordinate with suppliers and maintain inventory levels required for continuous production. In summary, replenishment and order management involve a range of strategies and processes to ensure that inventory levels are maintained effectively and orders are fulfilled accurately. By focusing on key areas such as replenishment strategies, order management processes, inventory accuracy, supplier coordination, and fulfillment metrics, organizations can optimize their distribution operations and enhance overall supply chain efficiency. Practice test for Section B, Replenishment and Order Management. 1. What is the primary goal of replenishment planning? A. To minimize lead times. B. To reduce employee turnover. C. To ensure optimal inventory levels. D. To increase production costs. Correct answer: C. Overall explanation. The primary goal of replenishment planning is to ensure that inventory levels are sufficient to meet demand without overstocking. 2. Which of the following is a key component of order management? A. Product design. B. Transportation costs. C. Order processing. D. Employee training. Correct answer: C. Overall explanation. Order processing is a key component of order management, involving the receipt, handling, and fulfillment of customer orders. 3. What is the impact of inaccurate demand forecasting on replenishment? A. It reduces safety stock. B. It can lead to stockouts or excess inventory. C. It increases customer satisfaction. D. It improves lead times. Correct answer: B. Overall explanation. Inaccurate demand forecasting can lead to stockouts or excess inventory, disrupting the replenishment process. 4. How does safety stock contribute to effective replenishment? A. It increases production costs. B. It acts as a buffer against demand variability. C. It reduces order lead times. D. It decreases customer satisfaction. Correct answer: B. Overall explanation. Safety stock acts as a buffer against demand variability, ensuring that products are available even when demand fluctuates. 5. What role does lead time play in replenishment planning? A. It has no impact on replenishment. B. It determines when to reorder stock. C. It decreases inventory levels. D. It reduces transportation costs. Correct answer: B. Overall explanation. Lead time determines when to reorder stock to avoid stockouts and ensure continuous supply. 6. Which method helps in maintaining optimal inventory levels during replenishment? A. Ignoring demand variability. B. Just-in-time JIT. C. Increasing production output. D. Reducing product quality. Correct answer: B. Overall explanation. Just-in-time, JIT, helps maintain optimal inventory levels by replenishing stock only as needed, reducing excess inventory. 7. What is the consequence of overstocking in order management? A. Increased storage costs. B. Improved customer satisfaction. C. Decreased lead times. D. Reduced transportation costs. Correct answer: A. Overall explanation. Overstocking leads to increased storage costs and ties up capital that could be used elsewhere in the business. 8. Why is order accuracy important in order management? A. It decreases lead times. B. It reduces inventory levels. C. It enhances customer satisfaction. D. It increases production costs. Correct answer: C. Overall explanation. Order accuracy is crucial in ensuring that customers receive the correct products, enhancing their satisfaction and loyalty. 9. How can technology improve order management? A. By eliminating the need for inventory. B. By automating order processing and tracking. C. By increasing manual data entry. D. By reducing order accuracy. Correct answer: B. Overall explanation. Technology can improve order management by automating processes, reducing errors, and providing real-time tracking information. 10. What is the role of demand forecasting and replenishment? A. To increase production costs. B. To predict future inventory needs. C. To reduce safety stock levels. D. To improve employee training. Correct answer: B. Overall explanation. Demand forecasting predicts future inventory needs, guiding replenishment decisions to ensure products are available when needed. If you're enjoying the journey so far, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Section C. Waste Hierarchy and Reverse Logistics. Overview. Waste hierarchy and reverse logistics are crucial concepts in managing waste and product returns within the distribution process. They focus on reducing waste, reusing resources, and ensuring efficient handling of returns and end-of-life products. Key topics. Waste hierarchy. A. Prevention. The most effective way to manage waste is to prevent it from being generated in the first place. Example: Unilever implements sustainable packaging practices to minimize packaging waste and reduce the environmental impact of its products. B. Minimization. Reducing the amount of waste produced by optimizing processes and improving efficiency. Example: Toyota uses lean manufacturing techniques to minimize waste in its production processes, including reducing material and energy consumption. C. Reuse. Reusing products or materials to extend their life cycle and reduce waste. Example: Patagonia encourages customers to return worn-out gear for repair or resale, thereby extending the life of its products and reducing waste. D. Recycling. Converting waste materials into new products to prevent them from ending up in landfills. Example: Coca-Cola invests in recycling programs to turn used plastic bottles into new packaging materials. E. Recovery. Recovering energy or resources from waste through processes such as incineration or composting. Example: General Electric uses waste-to-energy technologies to recover energy from industrial waste and reduce its reliance on fossil fuels. F. Disposal. The last resort, involving the safe and environmentally responsible disposal of waste that cannot be managed through other methods. Example: Waste Management Incorporated operates landfills and waste-to-energy facilities to handle waste that cannot be otherwise recycled or recovered. Reverse logistics. A. Returns management. The process of handling customer returns, including processing, restocking, and managing return products. Example: Zappos has a customer-friendly returns policy, making it easy for customers to return products and ensuring efficient processing and restocking. B. Remanufacturing. The process of refurbishing or rebuilding used products to restore them to a like-new condition. Example: Dell remanufactures used computers and components to reduce waste and extend the life cycle of its products. C. Recycling: collecting and processing used products or materials to extract valuable components and reduce environmental impact. Example: Apple has a recycling program that allows customers to return old devices for recycling and extraction of valuable materials. D. Waste reduction: strategies to reduce waste generated from returns and end-of-life products through better design, packaging, and processes. Example: IKEA designs its products with modularity and recyclability in mind to minimize waste and facilitate easier recycling at the end of their life. E-product take-back programs: programs that encourage customers to return used products for proper disposal or recycling. Example: HP offers a product take-back program to manage the disposal and recycling of old printers and cartridges. F. Environmental impact reduction: efforts to minimize the environmental impact of reverse logistics operations through sustainable practices and technologies. Example: Cisco uses sustainable reverse logistics practices to reduce the carbon footprint of its product returns and recycling processes. Real-world examples: retail: Amazon manages returns through a streamlined reverse logistics process, offering easy returns and ensuring that return products are efficiently handled and either restocked, refurbished, or recycled. Electronics: HP's product take-back and recycling programs help manage the life cycle of electronic products, reducing e-waste and extracting valuable materials for reuse. Manufacturing: General Motors implements waste hierarchy principles in its manufacturing operations, focusing on waste prevention, minimization, and recycling to achieve environmental sustainability goals. Summary: the waste hierarchy and reverse logistics are integral to effective distribution management. By focusing on prevention, minimization, reuse, recycling, recovery, and proper disposal, organizations can manage waste more efficiently. Reverse logistics further supports these efforts by managing returns, remanufacturing, recycling, and reducing waste, all while minimizing environmental impact and enhancing overall sustainability in distribution operations. Practice test for Section C: Waste Hierarchy and Reverse Logistics. 1. What is the primary goal of the waste hierarchy? A. To increase production costs. B. To minimize waste generation. C. To improve customer service. D. To reduce transportation times. Correct answer: B. Overall explanation: the waste hierarchy prioritizes minimizing waste generation by focusing on prevention, reuse, and recycling. 2. Which of the following is a key principle of reverse logistics? A. Forward distribution. B. Waste minimization. C. Product recall. D. Customer satisfaction. Correct answer: B. Overall explanation: reverse logistics focuses on waste minimization by efficiently managing the return of products and materials. 3. What is the first step in the waste hierarchy? A. Recycling. B. Reuse. C. Prevention. D. Disposal. Correct answer: C. Overall explanation: prevention is the first step in the waste hierarchy, aiming to avoid waste creation in the first place. 4. How does recycling contribute to the waste hierarchy? It prevents waste generation. B. It reduces the need for raw materials. C. It increases disposal costs. D. It decreases product quality. Correct answer: B. Overall explanation: recycling reduces the need for raw materials by reprocessing used materials into new products, contributing to waste reduction. 5. What role does reverse logistics play in sustainable supply chains? A. It focuses solely on production efficiency. B. It reduces the environmental impact of supply chains. C. It increases inventory levels. D. It decreases lead times. Correct answer: B. Overall explanation. Reverse logistics reduces the environmental impact by managing returns, recycling, and disposal in a sustainable manner. 6. Which activity is typically part of reverse logistics? A. Product design. B. Forward shipping. C. Product recycling. D. Customer acquisition. Correct answer, C. Overall explanation. Product recycling is a key activity in reverse logistics, ensuring that returned products are reused or processed into new materials. 7. How can companies benefit from implementing reverse logistics? A. By increasing production costs. B. By reducing waste and recapturing value from returned products. C. By decreasing customer satisfaction. D. By eliminating inventory management. Correct answer, B. Overall explanation. Reverse logistics helps companies reduce waste and recapture value by processing returned products for reuse or recycling. 8. What is the final option in the waste hierarchy? A. Recycling. B. Prevention. C. Disposal. D. Reuse. Correct answer, C. Overall explanation. Disposal is the last resort in the waste hierarchy, used only when waste cannot be prevented, reused, or recycled. 9. How does reuse fit into the waste hierarchy? A. It eliminates the need for recycling. B. It extends the life of products by using them again. C. It increases waste generation. D. It reduces transportation costs. Correct answer, B. Overall explanation. Reuse extends the life of products by using them again, reducing the need for new resources and minimizing waste. 10. Why is the waste hierarchy important in supply chain management? A. It increases inventory levels. B. It reduces environmental impact by prioritizing waste reduction. C. It complicates logistics processes. D. It decreases production efficiency. Correct answer, B. Overall explanation. The waste hierarchy is important in supply chain management because it reduces environmental impact by focusing on waste prevention, reuse, and recycling. And that's a wrap for today. We've just completed Module 7 of the CPIM course on distribution, where we explored 3 insightful sections and tackle their practice tests. If you're looking forward to the final Module 8, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Remember, all the course materials, including over 2,500 practice test questions and detailed explanations, are available for download in the link provided in the description. Be sure to check it out. Lastly, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Your support truly makes a difference.